Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Kylie. Hi, hello, how are you doing today? If you've been here and done any of my previous tutorials, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm going to be taking you through 5 of my favorite beginner level contemporary floor work drills. I will talk you through them briefly, but if you guys want any more of a broken down tutorial for any of these movements, let me know in the comments below. Let's get to it. First up is the knee slide. Be sure to start in a grounded position as low to the floor as possible. Reach your hand as far forward as you can. Pull your hips towards your hand as you slide on the side of your knee. Be sure to land on the soft surfaces, not your bones. Next up is the knees to hip bridge. In this drill, we're working on using the power of hip extension as well as the concept of rolling over the top and side of the foot. Take note of the position of the hands. Next up are side lunge walks. Here, we are transferring weight between hands and feet. Challenge yourself and reach the hands as far as you possibly can. Next is the floor spin or floor chaîné. Drop the weight of your head towards your hands and allow the hips to lift as you send your feet around your hands. These are spiral rolls. We're working on sequential patterning of the spine here with the goal of moving the upper and lower body separately from one another to create torque. Weave the hands and feet around each other and stay connected to the floor. All right, my friends, there you have it. Hopefully you have some new tools to take with you today and add to your practice. As always, let me know which one of these movements was your favorites in the comments down below. Let me know if you are struggling with any of them, if I can help in any way. And as I mentioned before, let me know if you want a more in-depth tutorial for any of these movements. Thank you so much for watching. It would mean the world to me if you would hit that subscribe button, toss me a like, and maybe share this video with a friend if you thought it was helpful. Thanks for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.